Welcome to Rainy Day Foods Natural Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the ancient foods that is being rediscovered. This little seed, which gets called a grain, is actually a pseudo-cereal that is made up of seeds of a flowering plant. You can even grind it down to flour, add it to recipes, use it instead of rice, and it's loaded with vitamins that help you. This is definitely a must for your food storage. Today we are here showing you how you can use it. First, you're going to want to rinse your quinoa. It has a natural soapy taste that needs to be rinsed off before you cook it. It is very important to rinse it thoroughly so you don't get that terrible taste. While you can boil this, you can also toast it. So depending what you want to use it for, you might change it up sometimes. Once you're done rinsing it, you are going to take 2 cups water, a pinch of salt in a saucepan, and you're going to bring it to a rapid boil. After it is boiling, you are going to cover it, reduce the heat so it's just simmering until all of the water is absorbed out. That can be anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. You can, of course, adjust the water amount according to what you like with your quinoa. We want people to know that it is personal preference, most of all, how you cook your different grains. Here you can see what to expect with texture once it's just about done. You can go ahead and mix it up. You can add this to salads. You can make it a side dish. You can use it as a substitute for rice. Here I am adding some garlic powder and some onion powder to give some flavor. Again, personal preference, depending what you like in your own household, flavor accordingly and to taste. Here you will see that I did decide to add some chicken bouillon for flavor. This is a great option for people that need to be gluten-free. It's known as a complete protein, so it contains all that you need for your essential amino acids. So it's really such a great option. Here I decided to pair it with salmon and butternut squash. It was delicious. So thank you for watching this video today, and make sure to visit us at www.rainydayfoods.com, where you can buy this and many other products. And remember that food storage is for every day, not just rainy days. Thank you.